Have you ever marveled at a magnificent band of colors arching across the sky after a rain? What magic brings to life this beautiful phenomenon? Welcome, young explorers, to the Rainbow Mystery. Here, we dive into the colors that brighten our world post-rainfall. A rainbow, think of it as a bridge of light, connecting Earth to the sky, visible yet intangible. This tale starts with sunlight, the light greeting you each morning, and rain, the droplets that serenade your window. When combined, they craft something extraordinary. Our journey will unravel how light, when it bends and dances through water droplets, paints the sky in a spectrum of hues, each color narrating a part of this captivating story. Prepare to discover not just the beauty, but the science behind rainbows, igniting our curiosity as our adventure has just begun. Delving deeper into our exploration, visualize each raindrop in the sky as a miniature mirror, bending sunlight to unveil a spectrum of colors through light refraction, the wizard behind the rainbow's creation. Sunlight, upon meeting a raindrop, bends, creating a spectrum. Colors from red to violet each dance at a unique angle, blending harmoniously across the sky. Each water drop acts as a prism, splitting light into the rainbow's vibrant array. The order of these colors stems from how different wavelengths bend at varying degrees, crafting this perfect sequence. This phenomenon bridges physics with the sheer beauty encircling us. As we further our exploration, the narrative transitions from the scientific genesis of rainbows to their profound significance across cultures and personal lives, ushering us from a realm of science into one rich with meaning and magic. Reaching the zenith of our colorful voyage, we are reminded of the vivid tapestry rainbows weave not just across the sky, but within our hearts. Symbolizing hope, promise, and diversity across cultures, rainbows teach us that magic awaits post-storm. Interestingly, this wonder isn't confined to post-rain scenarios. Mini rainbows can appear in a garden sprinkler's mist on a sunny day. Like their larger counterparts, these are formed when sunlight and water droplets unite, bending light into a myriad of colors, a testament to the ever-present magic of rainbows around us. Next time you're outdoors, gaze closely, perhaps a rainbow awaits your discovery. Let's always keep the wonder alive, remembering the world is brimming with mysteries for us to explore and comprehend. Thank you for embarking on this journey through the rainbow's myriad colors with us.